Hello security gurus, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture we are going to install Terraform on a Windows machine. So let's jump into the action. I'm on google.com and I'm going to type download Terraform for Windows and I'll hit enter. As you can see, we are going to select the first link that we can see, which is downloads Terraform by HashiCorp. I will click on it. As you can see, we can download Terraform for Windows. For Windows, we have two options. Either we can download Windows for 32-bit, which is mentioned here as 386, or we can download it for AMD 64, which is for a 64-bit window. Let's click on AMD 64 because I'm using a 64-bit window. I'll click on it. As you can see, Terraform has started downloading. Let's wait for some time. Terraform download is complete. I'm going to open the zip file. I'll click on it. As you can see, Terraform zip file has been downloaded, and within that we can see a terraform.exe file, which is an executable file for Windows. Now I will copy this file. To copy this file, I'll select this file. I'll right click and select this option, copy files to clipboard. I'll click on it. Now our file has been copied. Let's create a folder on our local system. I'll go to my computer. I'll go to D drive. Within D drive, I'll open a security guru. Now here, I'll create a new folder. I'll name this folder as Terraform and I'll hit enter. I'll go within this folder. I'll now paste the executable that we have copied. As you can see, the executable file has been copied. Now let's set the path for this file. I'll copy this path. Now I'll right click on this PC. I'll go to properties. Let's click on advanced system settings. Let's click on environment variables. Now under system variables, I'll scroll down. I'll select path. I'll click on edit button. Now let's add a new entry for Terraform. I'll click on new button. Then I'll copy the path where our Terraform is present, which is D drive a security guru Terraform. I'll copy it. I'll click on new and I'll paste it here. Now our entry has been created. I'll put a backslash at the end and I'll click on OK. And then I'll click on OK and I'll close this option as well. Now let's open a command prompt to check whether we can run Terraform from any part of the Windows or not. In order to test that, I'll click on search. I'll type CMD. I'll hit enter. I'll zoom in and I'll type Terraform -H and hit enter. As you can see, Terraform has been successfully run from C drive users a security guru, which is a different location from the one where our Terraform is installed. Our Terraform was installed at D drive a security guru Terraform. So that's how you install Terraform and set the path variable for Terraform in order to run Terraform from any part of the Windows machine. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.